Name is Ibrahim Ahmad Jawahir. I am at the present studying architecture in a university in Malaysia. And my question is, as beloved Hazur has been continuously warning us of a prospective Third World War, what are the Hazur thoughts and how important is it that we start designing and building with renewable sources of energy?
Now, what is your subject? You are doing structural engineering? What type of engineering you are studying?
Bachelor of Science in Architecture.
Architecture. So, you see, it is not necessary that World War will directly affect you, or your buildings are affected or demolished, or you get any harm in any way. But for the betterment of the other world, you should also try to think over it, that how can you make a better design to after the World War, or how, because before post World War you can give some ideas, but pre World War nobody will listen to you. They will say, oh, you are just talking something which is not going to happen. So you should also think, Allah Ta'ala has given you a very fertile brain and you are studying structural engineering, you should try to evolve new ways. How can, if something happens, the worst happens, and then how can we rebuild the world? By giving the cheap and good structure to the world. Then it is up to you. Instead of asking me, you should tell me what type of structure we can provide to the world. If you have any idea to write, if you have any idea, you write to me as well.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay, right. Okay, next.